The Sound of a Whistle by Evan Latham. The whistle shrilled as he knew that he was going to make his first call of the game. The whistle was becoming aware that people were not enjoying hearing his noise. The whistle was starting to hear fans booing and players yelling at him to stop and saying he was bad at his job. The whistle was no longer happy and just wanted the first half to be over, but it just kept going and the fans and players were getting angrier and angrier. The whistle called to end the half, and he wished it had been the call to end the game. The whistle sat at halftime very angrily and told himself that if everyone was going to get mad when they hear him, they won't hear him at all. The second half started, and the whistle noticed that everyone was in a good mood. The fans started to notice that the whistle was not doing his job and started yelling at him and asking him to do his job. The whistle was confused because when he does his job, people hate it. And when he doesn't do his job, people hate it. Finally, the football, his closest friend, explained that no matter what happens or what the people say, your job is just as important as mine. The football said that he could never do the job of the whistle. The whistle decided that he would give it a shot again and started calling more and more. With the added confidence from his friend the football, the whistle began making calls, and the fans and players started to cheer. The game ended, and the whistle shrilled his loudest call of the night, for he had seen the true importance of his job.